0, 1, 2, 3. Let's get started.
JDM
with a Z. Fire, boy! Fire! Oh my God!
Stay tuned! ここまで来てくださいね。ここまで。
Alright. And we're back. So we're gonna do the white girls today. Which white girl should we start with? Yo, is that a wooden bat? Bro, I'm taking that. Fuck it, let's start right here. So here we have a September 2000, which means she's ready to go right now. Toyota Celsior, black interior, love it. White paint, love it. Body kit, love it. Little wing on it, love it. Got them 19s on there. Okay, this is kind of cool. It gives me my Century vibes, bro. Not gonna lie, but just new shit. And a Celsior. Wow, look at this rat's nest. And Japanese people love wiring up some shit. What's going on here, bro? What's going on here, bro? It looks cool, man. I like it. Probably need some hood struts. That's why the bat is up there. It's clean. I like it. Needs a nice fresh detail, but other than that, I rock with it. You always see these in the tan interior, which is terrible. What the hell? Could you not start it without this? Hold up. What's going on? You need this in there? I guess you do. Oh, God. I have to edit that out. Oh, it's got a little exhaust in it, too. 158,000 kilometers. I always love the way these things sound. Okay, so it's a smoker's car. You see that now? Yeah. Could use a detail. Sunroof. GPS. Oh, we got the air suspension. I'm with it. With it. With it. There's the bin if you need it. Let me see what's going on underneath. Oh, it's the auction sheet real quick. Auction sheet says 3.5D. 133,000 kilometers. rock with it. That's cool. That's cool. Okay. She's there. So if you need this one, let me know.
This is massive.
Can we get a picture right there?
Massive.